In this video, I'll be breaking down a trade I took earlier today, and this is going to be the first video where I enter a trade in with 5 MNQ contracts. I'm actually increasing my contract sizes now. Instead of taking 3 MNQs on trades, I'll be doing 5 MNQs, and you're going to see how much of a difference those 2 MNQ contracts make. And this is what I mean when I say that when you have your strat down, all it is just increasing the contract sizes, and you're gonna get more profit. That's all it is. Have a good strat down, increase your contract sizes, and that's the best way you can truly maximize your profit. That's the way I see how you can truly maximize your profit. And let's get into it. So I'm right now looking for a close above the momentum shift, and this is the 1 minute chart, but it closed right there, perfect. But the thing is, it was a wick. I kind of went in a little too early, but it still broke above the momentum shift and it closed like right there. So I decided to enter, and we are holding on to the positions. We're holding on to the trade. Our stop loss is around 16 points, and as you see in this video, it doesn't go down more than 15 points, so we never get stopped out. But our gain is at 20 points, and you're going to see that here. And this is on real money, live data. And you're also going to see an issue with entering contracts when you're trying to take out contracts, is sometimes when there's a big move, some of the contracts don't get filled in right away, and you're going to see that happen. So it jumps up, it breaks above the momentum shift over here, and you see there's all these wicks having or showing support, so it's a breakout trade, and it works out beautifully. Hits 10 points, which I'm trying to take it out, but as you can see, none of the contracts are getting filled out just getting filled out, and it keeps moving up, which is good. This is a perfect breakout trade, and this is what I mean. 10 points is $100 just by those 2 contracts. If you look at my previous videos, 10 points is $60. 5 MNQ contracts, I'm already up like 15 points on this trade, and I'm already up $150. That's the difference between 3 MNQ contracts and 5 MNQ contracts. And if this was on NQs, if I was doing 5 NQs, which I don't have an account to do 5 NQs yet, but if this was 5 NQs, we would be up 17, 1800, $2,000 right now. As you see, it hits our 20 point mark. So I'm kind of just trying to get this fulfillment order situated, as none of my orders are being fulfilled. So but the trade worked out beautifully. It broke out of the level I wanted it to, and there you go, took out our last contract. That's all it was. Broke out of that level, beautiful breakout trade, and it worked out beautifully. Made $205. Don't forget, if this was 5 NQ contracts, it would have been $2,000. That's the only difference. So I have my strat down. I'm just increasing the contract size to 5 MNQs now. So you should in the next video see trades that are much larger. But this is an example of what I mean when I say that contract sizes truly make the difference when you're trading, is because when you have a strat down, your contract size is what makes you your profit, in my eyes. And as you can see, you just saw it now. This would have only been like $80 if it was on 3 MNQs, but it wasn't. It was $205. So that's all that matters. And so that was the whole trade. It was a breakout trade technically, and increasing the contract size is just to show you guys that's all that matters. And yeah, that's basically it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.